Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Atiqullah, and in today's video I'm going to show you Windows 10 hidden features, tips and tricks. As a computer science student, you should know these tips and tricks. So let's dive into it. So the first hidden feature is Clipboard History. We all know that when we copy some text, we use shortcut key Ctrl+C, and when we paste the text, we use Ctrl+V. But what if I copy multiple items, multiple texts, and if I press Ctrl+V, so it will just only paste the last copied text. So to solve this problem, here is a feature in Windows 10 which is called Clipboard History. So I'm gonna go to taskbar and type clipboard settings. Make sure that this clipboard history is enabled. So now if let's suppose I copy these 3 paragraphs one by one. And now I'm gonna paste it here. So instead of pressing Ctrl+V, which will only paste the last copied item, I should press Windows key +V. So as you can see here, that the 3 paragraphs which I have copied are here in Clipboard, and I can choose whichever I want to paste. So let's suppose I want to paste this one, and here it is. And what's cool about this clipboard history is if you ping these copied items, so it will be remain in clipboard history even if you shut down your PC or your laptop. The next tip is hiding the stop icons. So I'm gonna press right button of the mouse, go to view, and uncheck show the stop icons. And as you can see, the desktop icons are hid now. The third tip and trick is creating shortcut keys for your most visited programs. We all know that we use Google Chrome, MS Word, PowerPoint a lot in our systems. So instead of opening these programs in old way, you can create shortcut keys for these programs. So let's suppose I am creating a shortcut key for Google Chrome. So to do this, go to taskbar and type Google. Go to open file location, go to properties, and here you can see shortcut key. So here I can make a shortcut key for Google Chrome. So I have created a shortcut key Ctrl+Alt+Z. Make sure that Ctrl+Alt will be by default, and you have to give one word from your own. So I'm gonna apply. Now if I press Ctrl+Alt+Z, as you can see here that Google Chrome is opened. So that's how you can create shortcut keys for your most visited programs. The fourth Windows 10 hidden feature is Quick Assist. For example, if your friend has got some problem in his PC and he cannot solve the problem and he calls for your help. So instead of guiding him on your phone, you can access to your friend's PC or laptop in your own PC or laptop. So to do this, go to Startup menu and type Quick Assist. Click on Assist another person. Sign into your Microsoft account. Here you can see a security code. You can send this code to your friend via email. Once your friend entered that code in his PC, you can now use your friend's PC and your own PC, and you can access to his PC and fix the problem for your friend. So these are some Windows 10 hidden features. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.